In this video, I'll show you how to install and register the Tiki Timey desktop agent. The agent runs quietly in the background while you work, so Tiki Timey can help you review your activity without manually starting and stopping timers. To begin, click Download Agent for Windows. Wait for the download to complete. The installer is about 50 megabytes. Once the download has finished, open the downloaded installer file. Follow the installation prompts to install the Tiki Timey agent on your computer. When installation finishes, the Tiki Timey agent should open automatically. Click Register in the agent window to connect this computer to your Tiki Timey account. Once the agent is registered, it will continue running in the background while you work. You can then return to the Tiki Timey app to start reviewing your automatically tracked activity. That's it. Your desktop agent is installed, registered, and ready to go.